we are going to draw some beautiful flowers. There is a central circle, and then we are drawing some straight lines using our color pen again and again. That's all with this flower. We can add the leaves at the bottom portion. Flower ready. Then we move to our next picture. Here are some straight lines, and from each line we are drawing a petal. Okay, so we are drawing a petal towards the center. Then after we finish drawing petals on each line, we add some extra lines in the gap of two petals. In between two petals, we draw or we add another petal. So we have the flower now. This is a dahlia flower. We can add the stem as well as the leaves and color it. Now we are drawing a variety piece. We can draw circles using a circular object. So here a cap of the bottle is used. So then we are drawing some leaves. So each of the circles have been transformed into rose flowers, and this is a flower bouquet. Do you like flower bouquet? It is an expression of love and gratitude we gifted to someone. Okay. So this is very beautiful, and finally we can color it. Now we are drawing our next picture. This is a picture of a rose flower. So please have a look at how we draw a rose flower. Many straight lines and circles are there. We started from a circle and we have divided the circle into different triangular like pieces. That is how we draw rose flower.